going really fast on a sharp turn that has no runoff. High side. Oh, shoot. All right, so we're going around a blind corner. Okay, we can see good. What about going to the left? Can't see. Chevron, chevron, chevron's going too fast. There's the L plate. You see that? This is a beginner mistake that should not happen. So on this one, we're having some fun. We're going 86. I'm going to say kilometers an hour, so not too crazy. I don't know if those are motorcycle cops right there. I don't know if these are motorcycle cops or other motorcyclists just kind of hanging out, looking at the beautiful view. But we're going to be moving through here. So we have these chevrons. These chevrons are going to be indicators of a sharp turn. Okay, that's cool. Indicator of sharp turn. I can handle it. I'm on a motorcycle. But look at the roadway. And you can't see anything. So this is all, you don't know what's over here. It doesn't look that good. Maybe we should modulate some of the speed. So when it comes to cornering, it's not just about, well, how sharp is the corner? You know, is there traffic coming? Can I handle it? Let's get our knee down. It's not always about that. It's about how's the road surface? Am I out in the desert on a hill or in the mountains in the desert and there's a lot of rocks, a lot of gravel? Where does typically the gravel sit? Pretty much on the sides, closer to the edges. Okay, the middles, maybe a little bit. So you only have like this section to really ride in. Once if there's an area where there's a lot of rain, a lot of snow, you tend to have road surfaces that look like this. All screwed up. Bunch of cracks, a little bit of gravel, a lot of sand. This isn't the area to go fast. This isn't the area to go crazy. So you should slow it down. We're going 82. And you can barely see it, and it says 40 on that chevron. So we're doing double what's recommended. As a motorcyclist, you might be able to handle that. But we saw after you crashed, it was an L plate, so beginner. And we just talked about it previously, that beginners or people that ride for a while actually make beginner mistakes all the time because they're not practicing their fundamental skills. The fundamental skills are beginner skills that you need to master so that you can go off into that next level, the advanced skills. Practice, keep practicing the fundamentals. Let's go ahead and take an advanced class, practice fundamentals, practice advanced. Now we're practicing all of this. Keep practicing. But this right here, I would not be pushing my limits on this road. No way. Look at the road. That was a low side, whether it was because of a brake and he panicked or because he was leaning too far. The under part of the tire just kept leaning and then it finally hit that sidewall and just kind of dumped. That's a low side. Some impacts on the side that falls, but mainly it's going to be that abrasion all the way through. All right, so poor line of sight. Good positioning right here. This right here, stay. Okay, we're going to lane filter.
You're on the phone with a dog on your lap? Come on, behave yourself.
So this was back in 2019 when it was all the rage to yell at people to be on their phones. Good line of sight. You see how you can see around the van? There's a good example of line of sight. Gotta be careful. There's a blinker right there. Oh. Blind spot. Thank you so much for Cardo for sponsoring this channel. Make sure you click the link in the description. It will automatically apply a discount. It's an amazing product. Check them out. Links in the description. See them. All right, so we're riding. We're in a group ride. See how you can't see around the person in front? You gotta pay attention. This right here is what I keep saying when it comes to focus on what is important. Your horn, rev bombs will not save you from getting hit. It will not save you from getting hit. So we're going to move forward right here and we're going to try to protect our lane. We're going to honk. We're going to rev bomb. This person shouldn't be here. There's that rev bomb. He pulled in the clutch, did this, and then he honked the horn. Is that getting him in a position for safety? This guy is in a position for safety. This guy isn't. He's starting to swerve now last second. Last second. And now we got hit. Did this guy get hit? Did he do anything? No. All he did was position himself for safety. He just moved over a little bit. This guy decided to honk rev bomb. Yeah, are you going to get his attention? Probably. Is he going to be able to do anything about it when there's cars on the other side and he can't get back into his lane? No. So he's going to pick that spot. The law of gross tonnage. The lug nut rule. You're going to lose. Put yourself in a better position. This is your escape path. Get yourself as far over as you possibly can so you don't get hit. All of it's a mistake, and we're just going to fight because we didn't protect ourselves. All right. Can't see anything. It's nighttime. Can't see anything. It's nighttime. Whoa, headlights. Position yourself for safety first. We're riding, and we got headlights right here. So this is one of those big scary things. We got headlights. How come, where's our headlight? Did anybody notice that? The uncommon thing here? So why do you think that driver did not see us? T-clocks. Make sure your lighting is good. All right, roundabout. Clearly looking for the third exit. Okay, that's fine. People do not anticipate this stuff. We got a car right there. All right. He's gonna cruise around. Whoa! Great job on this rider. So, I don't know what that driver's doing. You see that? You see that driver on the corner? Way over there? What is he doing? He's crossing the middle. Is that something? Let me know in the chat. Is that something that you can do? Because people are cutting across. So this right here is what I like. 360 situational awareness. So this is what your mirrors are for. If you see something uncommon in a common situation, like if you should not see a car like this close, be on high alert. You should already be in orange stage because this is an intersection. So right here, cutting across, he recognized it, he saw it, he saw what was happening. From here, you start to like, okay, I'm gonna kind of stay a little bit as still as possible. So I'm going to roll off the throttle and maybe get prepped and ready for a good position for my own safety because this is uncommon in a common situation. What is this guy doing? He's obviously pointed where I want to go, so I'm just going to let him have it. It's a big vehicle. I'm on a motorcycle. It's a big vehicle. I'm going to make sure he has it. All right, passing. We're passing. Going really fast. On a sharp turn that has no runoff. High side. Oh, shoot.
Тихо. Тихо, сука.
Medical AR on this one? I don't know. Guys, remember, if you want to become a member and have your green name on the side, you click that join button. So what's going to happen here is that he's going to be like, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. We're going to panic. We're going to do something. So he's going to push even harder and harder, but we're going too fast. So we didn't do the slow portion. We did the look, press, and roll. We didn't do the slow. So what's going to happen is he's going to start the low side. So he's going to start to, that rear tire is going to start to slide out. And then see, he's starting to fall down. He's starting to, oh crap. Plus look, tires might be cold. The road might be cold, snow. He's going to start sliding. Oh, crap. And then as soon as right here, oh, the tire decided to grab some traction again. So we're sliding. We're like this, and then whoop, grabs traction again. And what's going to happen is it's going to turn into a high side. So now you're being ejected. So now we have massive amount of problems when it comes to impacts and the fatal fall limit. How high, where did you impact on your spine, all these different things. So you got slung over the top. Thankfully, he hit right there and not down here. Not wearing full gear. Okay, so this is probably going to hurt. Wear full gear. Momentum, everybody. He probably got back on his feet. He's like, oh, and then hits the ground. Imagine hitting a tree.